We'll guide you through how to use Google Maps offline. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really useful because you can go and navigate without having a connection to the internet. To go and do this, you do need to set it up while you do have an internet connection. So maybe while you're connected to Wi-Fi or you do have some mobile data. So to go and do this, you need to go to the top right and go and click on your profile icon. And you can then come down this list and see the option for offline maps and click there. Then what you need to do is click on select your own map like so. You can now go and choose the area you want to go and download. You can go and pinch in or out depending upon the area you want to capture. In this case, I'll go and make it more specific around this area here. Then once you've got it selected, click on download in the bottom right and you can just go and wait. When it's finished, it will say download is complete and be brought back here. Now I don't have an internet connection, and as you can see, I can't go and see the details of certain parts of the map, but where I did go and download it, we can go and see the details, as you can see. And you can still go and get directions as well. I'm just choosing a starting point, and as you can see, I can still get directions. You can't get traffic data as you are offline, but you can still go and get directions. It's that simple.